Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to rationalize the denominator. Now, as you can see here, we have a fraction, and the denominator of this fraction is a radical. So to rationalize the denominator means we want to do something to remove this radical from the denominator. So I will show you how to do this. Because we know the meaning of the square root of 2 is this is a number, and when this number multiplied by itself, the result is 2, right? So therefore, to get rid of the square root of 2, I can multiply the square root of 2 by itself. But there is a problem. The problem is if I only multiply the denominator by the square root of 2, I will change the original fraction, right? So in order to keep the original fraction to be the same, I also need to multiply the numerator by the same thing, by the square root of 2. So after I do this, now the denominator becomes 2, and the numerator becomes 4 times the square root of 2. And since 4 and 2 has a common factor, so after we rationalize the denominator, the answer is 2 times the square root of 2. Okay? Now, let's see another example. Again, because the denominator is the square root of 2, so I want to multiply the denominator by square root of 2, and also I want to multiply the numerator by the square root of 2. Now the denominator becomes 2, and the numerator becomes the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. Now remember our property number 1? This product, we can combine them into one radical. So it becomes the square root of 3 times 2, which is the square root of 6 over 2. Now because 6 doesn't contain any perfect square, so we can stop here. So our answer is the square root of 6 over 2.